Alright, so we're back. This afternoon it's around 2 o'clock. And just ate lunch. Covered about 17 miles or so by noon. And ate till about, kind of rested and ate till about 2. I think that's around what time it is, I'm really not sure. The sun's on my right, which basically means the afternoon. And there's thunder and rain and lightning building all around us. I don't know if you can see off in the distance there, the thunder clouds. You can see Shasta over there, actually. Way off in the distance, maybe not, but it's right over there on the left. It's like directly on my left. We basically walked entirely around it, taking about a 200-mile detour around Shasta. Basically just following a volcanic rim after volcanic rim. It's like Northern California. But yeah, hopefully we get like thunder and lightning tonight. It'll be like the first storm. Last night it kind of drizzled, not a lot. But hopefully, yeah, that happens. I just listened to the radio and a country song came on. It's I think it's Montgomery Gentry, and there's one in every crowd. You should download it. It's pretty funny. See, I don't know. It reminded me of some. I don't want to say it me because that's kind of crazy. That would be weird and wrong. But I don't know. Maybe it's right and true. So yeah, climbing to this saddle right here. I'm gonna come around the corner. It's pretty typical of these rocks and stuff like that. Looks like the white balance may be off. Hold on.